Seth, where are you going? Hello everyone and welcome to Box in the Garage. I'm your host Johnny Box. We're here today at my buddy Seth's garage working on his 95 F-150 Eddie Bauer. Is mint, just a little dirty. What we're going to be doing today is getting this toolbox mounted the Johnny Box way. Keep her watching. Alright, first thing we want to do is get it positioned how we want it. We are lucky enough with this truck to have holes already in the bed because it used to have one back at some point. But the first thing we want to do is come in here with a tape, and on both sides we're at, I don't know if you can even see that, but you take your tape and you make sure you're perfectly even, especially if you're doing it like we are with a, a bed that, or a toolbox that isn't purpose built for this bed. You just get it even on both sides and call it good. And now we'll go up underneath, right in, up in here, and find those holes. We got a punch, and we're just gonna scratch them, poke a hole, and put some bolts in it. Simple as that.
You may have to do this when I got them fat ass arms.
Well, we got our holes drilled and then realized we ain't got no bolts. So, off to the hardware store. Alright, we went and picked up some bolts and some nylocks, just so we don't have to worry about it. This is this truck gets to bouncing on the trails every once in a while. We want to make sure them bolts don't come off, so we decided nylocks would probably be about the best choice. And I would suggest, if you're mounting a bed toolbox, you do the same. There we have it. Seth, where are you going? Another job well done. Thanks for tuning in to Box in the Garage. If you liked the video, I appreciate a like. If you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Otherwise, I will see you next week.